Alright, say good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, so we're gonna do our hair, and I'm gonna put this moisturizer in our hair to start brushing our hair. Start brushing our hair. Go. All right, let's do your hair. Come on. Guys, no yelling. And I brush from the ends and work my way up, so not to damage her ends. I put this guy in here. This is the moisturizer. Squeeze a good amount, like that. That much. I'm gonna just apply it to the edges. The edges. Gotta baby those edges. And or her ends. So not much her roots or anything, just her edges and her ends. I'm gonna pull it back in a loose ponytail. I don't want too much touching on it. There we go.
Oh,
Beautiful. You gonna have fun today? What are you eating again?
dog gave it to me.
Yeah, stop. Don't do that. You had already something else.
I know, but don't. What happened to your time? And you still put it on, even though you know it was dirty? What's wrong with this? You can't wear this.
It's too early in the morning for this. Right, Gio? My twins are so... they're like always... I don't know. Good morning, Giovanni. No, he's hiding. He wants nothing to do with the camera. Right? We'll go drop him on the bus. Well, not drop him on the bus. Go put him on the bus. I have so much stuff to do today. It's 9:30 and he's sleeping. He came for his cuddle and now he's sleeping. It's so cute. Everybody when he comes to cuddle up with mommy. But I don't know why he's so tired, because he went down at a decent time, but now he's like sleeping. Oh. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Yeah. doing that?
Why are you messing with your sister's hair, curly things?
Because I just need to do something.
What?
That's like this.
Speak English. Speak English. Speak English. Speak English. Speak English. Speak English. Hi. Are you handsome?
Yeah.
Who told you that? Who told you that? Huh? Who told you you were handsome? I did? You are handsome. Come here. Oh man, look at that face. Look at that face. So what happened at school?
We had to write a note at the end of the day.
Why?
Well, because we had a little talk. The whole class
Mm-hmm.
had a little talk to Mrs. Swain while she talked to the most, and mostly we just stayed quiet and listened.
Mm-hmm.
And
So why did you have to write a note to her that says, I am disrespectful to Mrs. Swain and my class man?
Yeah.
Is that man or class
On-
mate?
on my
I need to focus on my learning.
my learning.
So if you wasn't a part of it, why would you need to make, why would you need to write a letter?
Mm-hmm.
You just don't know?
Wait, but Mrs. Swain wrote this on the board so we could write the note to you
To me?
or Daddy.
To me? Why do I need to know?
Because she said that you need to read it and then sign it and then,
Let me go find out from
and then return it.
Jason. Have a seat, Jason. So, Jordan, you said that Jason,
I thought he didn't get a note.
you said he wrote a note as well.
Well,
Did you write a note to your teacher?
Yeah,
Why
but
is
she
that-
actually thinks I was in trouble, but I told her I did nothing wrong.
Okay, so who did something wrong? Jordan?
a little.
No, Jordan, don't say a little.
You do it every day.
Not every day.
He does every day?
Yes.
Like, doesn't listen to his teacher and he talks
I
back?
do.
And
No, he don't really talks back, but I see him do a lot of stuff.
Uh-huh,
Not do his work.
uh-huh.
I do this work
And
sometimes.
that's it.
That's it?
Mhm.
Does he talk a lot when he's in class?
No.
No?
Because I don't want to get in trouble.
Does he listen to the teacher?
I don't really know.
You don't know?
No.
Because you don't sit next to him?
No.
Well, I
No.
do.
No, you don't.
So today, what happened with the whole incident? He just wasn't paying attention?
Yeah.
So he and who else? Couple other kids?
Yes.
Is it he was the main one, or was he following someone else?
He was the main.
He was the main one?
Mhm.
Okay, Jordan. Okay, honey.
I
Well,
don't know.
okay, Jason, I believe you. Mr. Jordan, I'm going to think of your punishment, and I'm going to get back to you with that note. Do I need to sign it?
Yeah.
Yes.
With a pen.
I have to sign it.
Yes.
You know what happened when I have to sign something in regards to you misbehaving at school? Because I send you to school to learn. Not for you to show off. Not for you to be a bully to anyone. Not for you to be disrespectful to your teacher. For you to learn. Okay? So I'm going to think of your punishment, and then I'm going to get back to you. Okay?
Okay.
It's good. I saw you.
Okay. Stop hitting yourself.
You do it.
You caused it on yourself. You have to learn consequences. A reaction, there's a consequence. So you think about it.
Okay.
If you don't like getting in trouble and getting your toys taken away from you and being sent to your room and having to be punished because you did something wrong, then you think about your choices.
Just act like me. Like, I just pay attention to the teacher. Just
Well, I don't want
do
him
my
to
work.
act like you because there's only one Jason. I don't need two Jasons.
But you can just,
But
like,
I need you to
do
be
like
yourself, Jordan.
Like I do.
Why are you still hurting yourself?
I'm not.
Just think about what I did.
Can't wait for me.
What are you doing?
If you have a T,
Mhm.
you just go like that up there and it's the light.
So what are you
And-
supposed to be doing?
You're
It
supposed
says
to
I
be
went to the... What's with that face?
to the pool.
To the pool. Okay. Oh, good girl. Now you need to take that P and put it at the bottom. You need a lowercase p, not a capital. In the middle of a sentence, you have a lowercase p, unless it's it's important. There you go. I went to the pool, or what else?
Two.
Two. Okay. Well, I'm gonna finish up this vlog. This is it. Say bye.
Bye.
Yeah, I'm gonna help her with her homework.
No, this is not my homework.
Okay, what is that?
It's something that we have to bring tomorrow.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna help her with that.